Imagine yourself in this Hyundai 2009 Santa Fe GLS. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: option Group O2, popular equipment package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, XM, AM/FM CD MP3 audio system, CD player, steering wheel audio controls, XM satellite radio and air conditioning. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.